Around the world, more and more mechanical and plant engineering companies are relying on 60mm busbar system technology from Wöhner. With its consistently modular approach, this technology offers maximum safety, high flexibility, quick and easy mounting, low maintenance costs, durable solutions. The traditional plant assembly techniques used in control engineering and power distribution are very time-intensive because of the amount of fastening and wiring required. There is a lot of drilling and screwing involved. The arrangement of the control cabinet components is often unclear, takes up a lot of space, and offers few options for extension or expansion. The amount of servicing and maintenance required is high. Since it requires no drilling, the 60mm system from Wöhner offers impressive time and space savings of up to 60%, as well as a clear configuration in the control cabinet. Modular, simple, fast, flexible, and safe. 60mm busbar system technology from Wöhner. The capacity of busbar systems is increasing all the time, and they can be optimally adapted to the respective scope of application. They are based on commercially available flat bus bars in different cross-sections, up to a maximum of 30 by 10 millimeters. These are supplemented by Wöhner's special profiles, such as the double T, triple T, and TCC profile for high power requirements. This enables currents of up to 2500 A to be carried safely. For flat bus bars with a thickness of 5 and 10 millimeters, Wöhner has developed a universal bus bar support that can be adjusted to various bus bar widths. The slide can be adjusted to widths of 12 to 30 millimeters. The universal bus bar support comes in 2-pole, 3-pole, and 4-pole versions. The 2-pole system is used for photovoltaic as well as for DC applications. For 3-pole systems, Wöhner also offers fuse bases meeting American and French standards. And the 4-pole components can be used to construct compact switch gears that conform to individual international requirements. Alles mit Spannung. Wöhner.